Hindi,
not
pagka
transferred.
nag-inom kami,
Why never exists? Nothing to cancel
hindi,
it.
mahal naman doon.
But still you can go to Monday to Wednesday. Why you didn't go? Yeah, it happened to me. I was in semi-government, first it. When I want to transfer back to my previous employer, they tried to block me. I went to Alcor, I justified my case. I told them the government culture is not so good. And 2 times I was rejected and they are asking me to transfer to their university of why my students say semi-government? Because they are semi-government labor. They said okay. When I returned home, my visa was, the transfer was cancelled.
Did you travel?
No,
Same, I told you, same as
no need to
mine.
travel.
You didn't
You
leave the
just need to
country.
go to Alcor. Wakra, they will be supporting to your current employer. You go to Wakra Labor. You go to Alcor Labor, tell them, just give the ticket number, you tell them that I don't want to work this company. This is the reason I want to transfer this company. Come to them. Go.
But it would be great if you will bring someone who can speak Arabic also. It would help you a lot.
Maybe to
Especially
be honest, they will
Sudanese.
not even, you cannot be able to meet any officials there. You will be on the doorstep, security will be taking your ticket number. But that's the biggest response you will get. You will immediately transfer. Everyone knows in Qatar. No one told you about this?
I told you.
The security told. When I return home, drive home, 45 minutes from Alcor to Doha, I got my message.
That you,
Not only for me,
that
many
message
people
for
have-
what? Message for what?
Your transfer has been cancelled. If you want the transfer, they will give you the transfer. That's why this to get cancelled. Now it's very easy. If you are going to tell me the story before like 2 years, okay, I agree. And now, completely favor to the current employer, you know. Your labor, you are applying. When you apply the contract process, still you have a chance to cancel. Not like before. The last moment. Even everything is transferred. When the labor contract will come to you, will come 1 month after when you get the employment, still you have to reject it.
I told them that also, actually.
Yeah.
That I for...
Oh, by going back and coming, it's gonna cost you. I saw there are a lot of vacancies in Finland. Yeah, but Finland you need to go through,
Finland is
but
a
you
bit
need to go
harder.
through military. This is a teacher.
Finland is a bit harder
Yeah.
compared to Canada and others.
Finland teacher.
But
three-
Finland is really good.
But in Finland, teacher is the highest
Paid.
I not the position they consider like equal with doctor
Should be.
because she need to do nursing for 1 year. I heard she
Ah,
need to go through military training for 6 months.
really?
In
Girl,
Finland.
you will be
Finland,
ano,
yeah.
yes sir.
Yeah, I heard
Yes sir.
because it's a 6 years program, but something there is like that. It's not
Even
easy
for
working.
women?
Huh?
Even for women.
Yeah, they told because that's the thing they told me actually. That's why in Finland the education is the first world education. So you say goodbye to everyone in Mesila? I don't think so. Even today. See, she didn't tell me.
No, you were not there. Last Sunday.
Ah, yeah,
You were
because
not
you.
there.
Okay, yeah, correct.
I told her like, oh, Vina this today.
That's what I
Saturday and
especially.
Sunday, right? Saturday.
I told her she wants the day we go.
Yeah. You said, Saturday you said you're not coming next day because you have to go with. Yeah. Yesterday she did not come.
How long you have
Ano
been
sila?
here?
Ano kasi? Iyaan mo, di ba ka Uy, gag. Ano ba? Ganito ka. Chichismis pa. Oo nga, hindi ko rin alam. Malaman. Hindi na.
ate. Sorry na, ate.
Uy! Okay lang, Gabi. Gibit ko rin. Hindi na nga pala.
Maybe when is your lunch?
Maybe next?
Shall we have something in that? Or yeah,
Really
that's what I
ka ba?
asked. Like me something. Really, I'm sad with you. Really,
Sabi namin pinag-chismis.
Ang halata nga.
even that.
Ayaw.
Hey, you are in that group? In the service, badminton. Ah, okay. Then I will take it.
Ayoko, ano nangyari? Malakas sila? Hindi naman yun. Uy, girl, mag-training tayo. Pa talaga? Ano na kami? Okay. Talo na kami. Seconds pa kami nanalo dyan. Tara, please. Mura lang. Magkano? Tatlong araw sa isang linggo. Pati sa dalawang araw lang. 200 na ako. Ano ba pera mo? Wala ka naman ay, ako, magdalawang araw ka lang sila. Sunday, Tuesday.
Kasi, yung beses na kami nag-ano, nag-plano ni Kay training, kasi hindi na nakatulog.
Hindi ka nakatulog sa akin. Kasama ako.
Ha? May kasama ka naman dun eh.
Wala na. Actually, ito ang boys.
Wala kasi pag uwi ko kasi ng bahay, gusto ko matulog.
Pero pagka gusto mong yung kunwari, wala isang linggo, isang araw lang, pwede ka pumunta ng gano'n. 30 na pagbayan.
Ah, yung parang pag-trip mo, pwede.
30. Wala kang babayaran. Wala ka na ibang babayaran.
Anong day ka pumupunta dun?
Sunday, ito lang ang mga pipilian mo. Sunday, Tuesday. Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday.
Kaya mo mag-view.
Hindi na ako masyado dito. Kasi maganda yung ako dito. Alam mo ba, syempre, mga nakalawan na lalaki. Hindi yun, parang,
Ah, doon ka sa lalaki. Buti pa doon, makalaro ka.
basta tanong, alam mo, parang katapos na dalawang laro lang, okay ka na.
Kasi mga lalaki. Kasi talaga maglaro sa lalaki.
Bilis ang bola. Kaya pagdating mo dito, iba rin ang laro mo.
Parang babalik ka sa dati.
Oo, parang, bakit yan? Parang bobo ko ata ako.
Nakala ka dito. Yung mga ano dyan.
Hindi pa. Magaling.
Hindi naman.
Kaya nga,
Yung
ibig ko
doon.
bakit ano?
Ano magaling, sanay sila mag-dive.
Si Seven. Hindi ka mo ako marunong mag-ano.
Ha?
Hindi ako marunong mag-ano.
Ay daw? Basta lagay dito.
Oo, di ba parang gano'n lang. Pero yung isa lang yung pop ko, bibigyan ko. Parang hindi ako masyado.
Nung nakaraang minute, dapat hindi na nalang kasali ba sila? Magkaiba sila ng ano? Kumuha sila ng Pinoy na kapartner.
Oo.
Ano, nagkampiyon naman na silang movie ulit. Hello, Fred! Ah, sige na. Sige.
May tindahan ako sa akin.
Natikman na ba yun? Ingay na! Tikman mo nga siya naman.
Girl, ano pang gawin?
Siomay. Japanese ka. Wala.
Isama ako sa bahay. Wala nabili ko sa Almira.
Ayan.
Oy,
Dapat
bibili ka ha.
minsan.
Pero wag mo iiwanan sa sasakyan mo.
Kaya yung kimchi na last time na iwan ko sa
Ay.
sasakyan.
Ayan. Bakit ka din?
Mamadali kasi ako ng
May data kasi nun. Eh, walang panty, kaya pala amoy.
May kimchi! Dito kayo kukuha sa
Next week na kasali tayo siguro.
Pero dalawa? Dito? Di naman yung level.
Dapat maglaro ka pesos. Ano kasi nalabas ka naman din.
Ang kalaban naman ay ano?
Ayun. Pwede mo i-request.
Ano, ayaw ko. Nakakaya naman mo request kay Request. Magaling ka na ba, girls? Bakit ka nag-request?
Para mag-
Kaya ako yung na...
Okay naman yung laro nyo nilang ala Marvin.
Okay naman. Okay naman. Mabilis na ikot eh.
Ba't ganun? Okay naman. Parang
Pero kasi ano ka ba eh?
Ba't ka ba?
Kaya magaganda na yung luwan. Uy! Andito na to nung pinag-usapan natin. Hindi ko siya. Nakakairita naman. Ba't kasi nung bili ng...
di ba? Wala pa siguro. Hindi naman niya kilala yun.
Kung hindi pa natapos yung laro namin, makompleto yung... Kahit nakaganong ka tayo.
Seryoso.
Hindi. Wala pa kasi andito pa siya. Andito pa siya noon. Yung sabi niya.
Ayun sa ano lang. Feel lang. Sabi ko pala.
Sumama ka doon sa kanya.
Kaya nga, dali na.
Nag-ano nga tayo, diba? Sabi ko, pagka ano nga, pwede...
Ganito na lang gawin mo. Mag-try ka muna ng isa. Try mo lang. Magugustuhan mo yung coach.
Ano bang ano doon? Ano tinatry?
Badminton.
Simula, hindi, simula sa simula, ganun? Simula sa simula.
I-assess ka nila kung anong level mo. Tapos kapag hindi ka na beginner, syempre hindi ka naman beginner, di doon ka sa kasama ka na namin.
Nag-ano tayo? Anong tawag
Kasi
doon?
mga action mo, iko-correct nila, pag yung mga pa-dribble mo.
Iko-correct lang yung mga...
Tapos papalakasin mo, ano yung stress mo, papalakasin mo na yung footwork.
Paano pag yung tuhod mismo yung may problem?
Mag-support ka. Pero ano, sasabihin mo din sa kanila para ready sila.
Try natin yun.
Tapos ano, yun, yung rotation, doubles rotation. Tapos mixed doubles rotation.
Sa PSS ko yun eh.
7 to 9 lang yun.
Malapit na ba sa atin?
Kaya nga,
Mas malapit sa'yo.
oo, 3 minutes.
Tatawid mo.
Baka sasakyan ka pa.
Ay tatawid ako ng kasal.
Ayaw.
Uwi nga lang yung walking distance. Pero okay, lilipat na rin ang bahay. At i-demolish na yung building.
Ay, sa'yo. Saan?
Around that area din. Pagka nakalipat ako, invite ko kayo.
Sige. Dapat
Magkano tayo, Samgyup?
Ay, Samgyup.
Ngayon na kaya? Samgyup?
Hindi pa nga nakakalipat. Pagka nakasettle na ako, yung
Kimchi.
Oo, yun. Dala niyo kimchi. Ako sa lettuce. Sino sa karne?
Ikaw! Ikaw nag-invite eh.
Tapos yung karne manok.
Oo, mix. Hindi ba kayo nag-beef? Nag-beef kayo?
Beef lang, walang chicken.
Ayun na
Yung ano, yung ganun sa iwak.
Ay, walang gano'n.
Walang ganun.
Pang ano lang ako yung romantic baboy. Yung mga gano'n.
Sige na nga. Baboy na lang.
Baboy na. Lahat gusto kasi.
Sige, Duday. Go,
Ano si Duday?
Go, Duday! Duday! Duday!
Ay, sumusunod na naman si Duday. May ganun talaga.
First day. What month?
December.
February, pupunta sa Di ba nga? Local. I should not want to take it. Sorry,
That's
Alam na kasi yung nagdadrop ng dati, hindi ba abangan na sa
Sino?
na kasi.
Kasi babalik sa kanya ulit.
Oo, hindi ko abangan na. Pumasok na agad kayo kahapon?
Kayo hindi.
Pero kanina meron. Work from home ako kanina.
Paano coaching?
Oo. Parang sila.